I'm Allison Gonzalez. I'm a Microsoft trainer here at Pragmatic Works. So excited to let you know that my newest class on Microsoft Designer is now live and available for you to go take, enjoy, and brush up on those designer skills. We're going to get started talking about how you can create a brand. Use that AI, put in some prompts, and it will generate a whole brand for you, including logos, colors, brand voice, the whole deal. You're then able to use the brand voice you've created in all of the other elements, such as creating images, creating stickers, creating designs for social media posts, using that brand and that brand voice. You can also use all of those elements individually, and we're going to dive in and I'm going to show you all of those pieces that are part of the Microsoft Designer program. So head on over to our on-demand learning platform to go take this course. I'm so excited for you to enjoy and build those skills. If you do not yet have an on-demand learning membership, you can just go to prag.works/Allison40. You're going to get 40% off your annual subscription. Can't wait to see you over there. Happy learning.